One of the rigs that was on our list to potentially purchase was the Jayco Pinnacle 36FB, which is front bath TS. And look, they got best in show. That's pretty cool.
Their dark is black, and that I actually like, because like if you look at, like they have premium molding and all of that, which is very cool. Like it looks nice and not overwhelming like a lot of the
yeah, a lot of the darks are really dark, like dark wood, but this gray, this is beautiful. Look at the patterned glass. I mean, as far as it feeling residential, especially fireplace, elevator. I love elevators because you get the window. Oven is awesome. The 4-burner range. Most RVs come with a 3-burner. Here's your drawer for trash. Outlets in the island. That's a big deal, and this flip-up countertop is awesome. And under the sink, it's got that drawer right there, which has your cover for your stove as you're going down the road. More outlets. One of my favorite things is the residential fridge. That is on the list. Residential fridge is a must-have. An awesome lit pantry. This is one of the things that drew us to this rig, was that they light everything. Light up pantry, just light up bathroom. Look at the half bath. That is pretty. The decor is gorgeous. They have real tile. Plenty of counter space in a half bath. That's a big deal. And now, wait till we see up here. Okay.
So look at this. They got barn doors with darkened glass, which is super cool.
Oh, that's very pretty.
And then they have remote control access to everything from the bed and the little side tables.
Right there. Even the bedding is pretty in this one. Most of the bedding is like, I'll replace it. Look at this lift. Yep, look at that underbed storage. It's massive. And then in the bathroom, okay.
Look at this.
The bathroom is the whole reason why we like this rig. Check that out. Now, I have a feeling if we got this one, this would become snickerdoodles and this would become taco cats. But look at this, the shower is gorgeous. Got the massaging right here, which several of the rigs we're looking at have that. And did you see this? Oh, it's for the washer and dryer, that's why. Look, it's huge.
Yeah, but look at the closet, cedar lined.
This was another selling point for us, is this cedar lined closet. I love the shelving. Honestly, I'd use it for books, mostly because this is the weight. This is the front. Yeah. So this is the weight that would go over our truck bed. Oh, look at that, there's outlets in here. That's awesome. Oh, how cool is this? It's a magnetic charger for your phone at night. Okay, that's a nice touch. This is an on-demand water heater?
Nope. It's a 10-gallon quick recovery.
Okay, quick recovery is a good thing.
Yeah.
For sure. Got massive storage bay. Honestly, could fit the litter box down here and cut a hole in the top there. And then this is where your generator would go. We've got the wet bay. Most RV reviewers focus a lot on the outside, and I know that's really important, but for us, the inside's more important because the outsides of most of these fifth wheels are pretty much going to be the same as far as what kinds of things they offer. They all have propane, they all have generator bays, they all have some sort of underbelly storage. So what I'm more looking for underbelly storage is, can we put the litter box down there? But in the interior is what we're really looking at. We're looking at the decor because we don't want to do a lot of extra work when we get our rig, and we're looking at the layout, and the floor plan of this one was top of our list. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got, well, it has one drawback, and that is we need room for 2 offices. Let's go back inside. So the only con I see to this rig is that we'd have to fit a desk here instead of the couch, and then I would have to use the dinette.
Tell you what though, this
as
is
my
a
desk.
really nice rig. I really like this a lot. I mean, I'm not a big fan of dark interiors because that's been the way it's been forever. But they kind of took a different approach in that if you're going to have dark, make it as a statement or an accent rather than overwhelming. So you have the dark grays, which work really well, and then they're using black instead of like dark wood. You know, they're using black as an accent, and it looks really awesome. Plus, they did a lot of things right with the crown molding and all of that kind of stuff. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Riverstone Legacy.
Yeah, a little.
Like they took some cues, although if they put the tin ceiling in, that would have been a game changer. Even with this floor layout the way it is, it's together but also isolated. So as a result, the kitchen, for those of you who like to cook like me, it's its own space.
Yeah.
And then you step forward. There's been some other things that we've seen here at the show that make literally no sense. It's like it never occurred to them to actually, like, what real people living in a real environment would want or need. All in all, I really like it a lot. It ticks off a lot of the boxes that I would want to tick off.
It does.